What's up guys, it's Carlos from Your House Fitness, and today we're going to be talking about the Tensor Fasciae Latae. The Tensor Fasciae Latae, or TFL, is a small muscle located on the outer part of the hip. It originates from the iliac crest and inserts into the iliotibial band. The TFL is responsible for several important functions in the body. Firstly, it helps with hip flexion. Second, it helps with medial hip rotation and mild hip abduction. Third, it contributes to stabilizing the hip with the gluteus maximus and IT band by holding the hip joint together. Fourth, it also contributes to help stabilizing the knee during extension with the IT band. And also helps the IT band laterally rotate the leg. And also helps elevate the non-weight bearing leg in the swing phase while walking. Additionally, the TFL assists in stabilizing the pelvis. There are movements like standing on one leg or balancing. It works in coordination with other muscles to maintain proper alignment and prevent excessive side-to-side movement. Now, TFL is a small muscle and is often neglected, causing weakness in the TFL. Now, weakness in the TFL can cause many issues. One of the common problems is an increased risk of knee pain. When the TFL is weak, it can result in poor tracking of the kneecap, causing misalignment and discomfort. Weak TFLs can also contribute to hip instability, leading to problems such as IT band syndrome, which causes pain and inflammation on the outer side of the knee. So these are some exercises that you can include in your fitness routine to actively target the TFL. You can do an exercise like a side raise. You're lying down on the floor or with a cable, a clamshell, or a hip hike. These are all great exercises to target the Tensor Fasciae Latae. Now, how do you stretch the Tensor Fasciae Latae? A great way to stretch the Tensor Fasciae Latae is by doing a standing TFL stretch. Stand with one leg crossed in front of the other. Lean to the opposite side. Reaching your arm overhead, you should feel a stretch along the outer hip. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then switch sides. You can also do this by grabbing onto a post. So grabbing on here, crossing that outer leg, stretching over, getting a big side stretch here, feeling that in your hip flexors and in your TFL. So by incorporating TFL exercises and stretches, you can strengthen this important muscle and reduce the risk of injuries. This will overall increase hip stability, which would translate to everything you do in the gym. So don't neglect your TFLs. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in that next video.